Hello everyone, welcome to this JavaScript tutorial where we'll explore an interesting problem. Imagine you have a string and you need to determine if two specific characters A and B are separated by exactly three characters anywhere in the string. This task might sound tricky, but with JavaScript we can solve it efficiently. At the end of this lesson, you'll have a solid understanding of how to approach similar challenges using regular expressions. Let's dive in. In this problem, our goal is straightforward, but requires careful attention. We need to find whether the characters A and B are exactly three places apart in a string. This can happen with A appearing before B or vice versa. For example, in paint borrowed, A and B are three characters apart, so it should return true. However, in AB check, they are right next to each other, so it should return false. With this understanding, let's move on to the code. Here's the JavaScript function that accomplishes our goal. It is named abcheck and takes a string as input. This function leverages regular expressions to search for two specific patterns. One, where A is followed by three characters and then B, and another where B comes first, followed by three characters and then A. The test method checks whether these patterns exist in a string and returns true if either is found. It's a clean and efficient solution thanks to the power of regular expressions. Let's break the code down step by step. The regular expressions A, B looks for the character A followed by exactly three characters and then B. Similarly, B, A looks for B followed by three characters and then A. The test method scans the string and returns true if it finds any of these patterns. This way, the function can efficiently evaluate whether A and B meet the required condition. In this example, we pass the string change break to our function. The string contains the characters A and B with exactly three characters between them. As a result, the function returns true. This demonstrates how the function successfully identifies the pattern in the input string. Here's another example. The string paint borrowed has the characters A and B with exactly three characters in between. Hence, the function correctly returns true. This shows the versatility of our solution for different inputs. Now, let's consider the string AB check. Here, the characters AB are adjacent to each other, which means there aren't three characters between them. As a result, the function returns false. This example shows how the function handles cases where the condition isn't met. Here's the same function rewritten in ES6 format. Using arrows functions makes the code more concise, but the logic remains the same. This is especially useful for developers who prefer modern JavaScript syntax. To summarize, the AB check function uses regular expressions to detect whether the characters A and B are separated by exactly three characters in any string. This approach is efficient and easy to understand, making it a great solution for similar pattern matching problems. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy coding!